I am radiant with the health of God. Then shall thy light break forth as the morning, and thine health shall spring forth speedily. Isaiah 58:8. Whatever we identify ourselves with, we tend to become. Whatever we think about gradually becomes a subconscious pattern, always tending to manifest itself in our experience. Therefore, we should endeavor to identify our physical bodies with a spiritual reality that is the very substance and essence of the physical being. We do not deny the physical body, but rather affirm that every organ and action and function of the body is radiant with the perfection of God. There is an inner life of complete perfection that exists at the center of everything. Otherwise, nothing could be. We should identify ourselves with this perfect pattern of our being, claiming its reality in our experience, and continuously knowing that we are animated by the living Spirit. Today, I identify my body with the action of God, the radiant life of the divine being. Today, I identify my physical body with my spiritual body, claiming that they are one and the same. Therefore, I see that every organ, every action, and every function of my body belongs to the rhythm of life. It's a part of the radiant presence of the living Spirit. There is one divine circulation flowing through everything, flowing through me right now. There is one infinite rhythm at the center of everything. I am a part of this perfect whole. There is perfect circulation, perfect assimilation, and perfect elimination. There is perfection in every part of my being, and wholeness and completeness. This physical body is a temple of the living Spirit that animates it, sustains it, rebuilds it after the image of its own perfection, and keep it in perfect health, in perfect harmony, and in perfect wholeness.